Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically change the language on the CapCut app. Super simple. You are just going to select the gear icon on the top right corner of your screen. Then you are going to select app language. Here you have a bunch of options you can choose from. I'm just going to choose Bahasa Indonesia so I can understand that. Press done, and it's going to set the app language in Indonesian. As you can see, change the language. If you want to change it, just go back again, select the gear icon, select the language, which is the first one on the top, press it and press confirm. And that is basically it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!